It's Jason. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to be joined by my little brother Dylan, and we are going to be messing around with his monster truck. Yeah, it's white camouflage, and we are going to be crashing it into his cars. So yeah, we'll be back when the cars are set up. They're not done, but I just wanted to record.
So am I gonna do it like
No, you're just gonna help us with the props. Megan,
you're gonna just help us with the props.
Alright.
What's the props?
This stuff.
No.
Then make
I
them
really wanna
touch.
try it.
Make them touch each other, alright?
I really wanna try it.
Yeah, I think the line is good enough. Yeah, it's that long, so we're gonna be driving it in it. So yeah. Hold the camera facing the truck. Okay, so, and then move along with it. Oh yeah, also Happy New Year.
Okay. Don't want to go towards me. Don't go towards me. Man, we better move it.
Alright, so now what we're just going to do is we're going to have the cars sit out at random places. So yeah. Yeah, cool. Set it down. So yeah, we're going to have the cars sit out randomly. We're going to see if we cannot touch them. So
Okay. And
we're not going to have so much out though.
Yeah, I'm not gonna have too much out though. So we're gonna have them scattered all over.
Yeah, we're going to have them scattered in places. We're just going to set our eyes and have them. It doesn't matter if they're upside down or not. But we just want them at least not touching. So, yeah, we've got it done now. So,
Get doing it.
yeah. Face the truck.
Zoom. I'm gonna zoom in.
No.
Okay.
I want out and stay out.
Okay. Do not touch it. Oh, you're touching.
I can move it if I want.
And you can move one if you want.
I think that's more than one. Some cars I can just go over.
Oh, Jason, look how much people you're getting.
No people. No one's watching. So yeah, we can go over some of them. Some we can't. It's pretty fun.
Okay.
Hold on.
Don't try to move them, cause don't try to flip them or not. You can flip them if you want. Yeah, touch through. But you didn't have to touch them. Try to not touch them.
Now it is Dylan's turn to drive. So yeah, drive wherever you want. Make it more fun, Dylan. I have my own Raptor, but it's smaller. Takes bigger batteries though, which is crazy. And this is the controller right here. Simple up down.
Okay, I'm not gonna.
Side,
Okay,
side.
I'm stuck.
Yeah, it's pretty small. That means it can move pretty quick. Here, let me see it.
The truck's kind of running out of battery.
No.
The truck's kind of running out of battery.
Yeah, you drive. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I guess I'm just going to I don't know what I am gonna do, but it's gonna be weird, probably fun, really fun, probably weird, I don't know.
Get the other two.
Yeah, so Yeah.
I need to take my gun.
It's got a nice silencer on. It's got a scope. It's got a light. As you can see, I'll turn it on. Let's see. It's pretty cool. So, if we take the silencer off, it makes different noises. Like, see, this is what it makes with the silencer on. And then without the silencer, makes this. So yeah, that's pretty fun. Got that from my aunt.
Yeah, it's from our grandma.
No, it's not from grandma.
It's from
Aunt Carol gave it to me. I've also got a giant Pikachu stuffed animal that I really like.
Yeah, he brings it downstairs all the time.
Yeah, because I really like it and he's so fluffy.
Fluffy Pikachu!
So what I'm doing, if you want to know, I have my little brother's bow. I have my little brother's bow. And I am just going to shoot it at random places. Hey, can you go give me the TV remote? You just start looking for it, alright? I'll make the video, you look for it. So we got briefly a minute. There we go, that actually shot it. And yes, this is going to be close to the end of the video. So right now I'm just going to do some shout outs. Shout out to my boy, J-Boy Don't Playboy. Me, Jason Wolf, as you're watching. My Lucas Cruikshank, Jacksepticeye, Stapy Longnose, Dan TDM, Typical Gamer, what's your name? Samara Redway, not Tamara Greenway, Samara Redway. And yeah, that's all my shout outs. So yeah, bye.
Bye.